Let's assemble one of our tower kits together. Everything that you need for this will come in your kit. We're going to start by inflating two 11-inch balloons. You're going to inflate them in pairs of two. As always, flatten them a little to give them that round shape and just make sure that they're around the same size. We're going to tie them together into a pair, just as you see me do in the video. And then we're going to repeat this process with all our remaining 11-inch balloons. As you're doing it, just make sure that all the 11-inch balloons are around the same size. This is going to be important to give you that stable base at the end. When you get to your 5-inch balloons, we're actually going to inflate them individually one by one and tie each tip on its own just to close them. This is going to be able to give you a little bit more distribution, and we're going to attach them with glue dots later, so you'll see. I already inflated my number balloon and the attachments that I'm going to be using. So we're going to grab two of our 11-inch pairs and put them together into a quad as you would for any of our balloon garlands. And then you're going to put them on a flat surface and just flatten them out so you get this kind of base. Then you're going to grab one of the twister balloons that comes with our kit, and you're going to tie the twister balloon under the quad and just make a little knot in the middle, so then you'll have the full twister balloon to work with to be able to attach the other quad to it. We're going to do the exact same thing with our other two pairs of 11-inch balloons. Just place them on top, and you're going to take your twister that you tied to the first quad and wrap it around, once from the bottom, once over the top, and again once from the bottom and once over the top, just so you attach the two quads together and to each other. So now our base is ready. We're going to grab the second twister balloon and our number, because we're going to be attaching the number to our tower. So you're going to grab your twister balloon and tie it very tightly around the little piece of the balloon number, and then give it that little loop so you have something to loop it through. And then we're going to loop it through the balloons on our tower base, just like that, and adjust it just so it's straight. Now we're going to use our glue dot to attach the 5-inch balloons. So you're going to put a couple glue dots on each side of the 5-inch balloons, and that's going to allow you to attach it to your tower. And I'm going to repeat this process with the other 5-inch balloons that I have. Now, this is our attachments. So whether you're working with the checkered balloons, with other foils, I'm using clear balloons here for a bubble effect. I'm tying them around with an elastic band. So I tied elastic bands to them previously, and now I'm just attaching them. And that's it. We're all done with our tower.